Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials: the Pixhawk variant, GPS-esque, and a reliable USB cable. Connect the Pixhawk to your PC and open Mission Planner or Q Ground Control. Allow drivers to install. Once done, flash the correct firmware target for your airframe type, multi-rotor or fixed wing, so sensors map properly. Make sure the battery is disconnected and props removed. This prevents accidental spin. Finally, verify the bootloader and show the device in the ground control software so we can proceed. Now wire the power module to measure voltage and current, attach the safety switch, and route the RC receiver into the RC input. Power the system and run sensor calibrations. Accelerometer first on a level surface, then compass away from metal, and gyros automatically during firmware startup. Calibrate the radio trims and endpoints, then program ESCs if required, following manufacturer steps. Once complete, assign flight modes and set failsafe throttle/RTL values so the vehicle behaves predictably. Finish with a structured per flight. Confirm a solid GPS lock, check battery voltage under load, and verify motor directions with props off. You should perform a tethered hover or bench motor test to validate stability and failsafe response. If you encounter drift, compass interference, or lost telemetry, review the flight logs in the ground station, rerun the specific calibration that failed, and inspect wiring or connectors for faults. One key troubleshooting tip: a single bad ground or noisy power feed often causes multiple sensor errors. Swap the power module first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.